All systems a go. Back to the watchtower.
Yeah. Come on.
All right, let's see those pearly whites.
I'm a piranha. They're in the Amazon.
And a...
When you're little, but have the spirit of a wrestler.
Oh, embarrassing, man.
You're so handsome. Are you gonna be mean?
This is the professional level of silent treatment.
You gonna be mean? Aww. You're so scary.
Do you want a piece of chicky? Come give a kiss. Give a kiss. Give a kiss.
Tommy, go.
That toy should end up under the fridge forever. Soon.
Yeah.
Oh!
Tell me your cat is sneaky without telling me.
The Dachshund was bred to be fearless. They are actually the #2 most aggressive dog breed in the world.
You guys hear the geese flying? Sorry, you can't play with them. Hi, Daisy.
Fun fact, dogs explore new objects by sniffing, pawing, and destroying.
I bet Goldie's about to open an apple juice stand in town.
Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
Day 45. My bark sounds like a chirp now. Oh, Human, now I know people don't lie. Princesses are real.
Sit. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Stay, Ben. Here. Here.
Hello, Coco. Bye. 3, 2, 1.
One. Ready?
No matter how silly they get, golden retrievers always leave us smiling.
Chris, on travaille? Oui bébé, on travaille.
Why you shouldn't pick a fight with Dad's favorite. Even the king of the jungle has fear. Learn it, men.
Easy.
Easy girl.
I'm just burping him, I'm not hurting him.
He's about to call Child Protective Services.
Out. Sorry. Out. Ah, assis. Sorry. Yes. Yes, good boy.
Oh my god.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, we're watching the happiest dogs meet their baby humans. The hose is fine, but the other hose clearly has a bad aura.
Ники, носочки снимать? Молодец, и второй. Молодец.
啥狗？
我累了。
哎呦我操！
No! Stop it! Stop! Stop it!
Someone demands the food quota needs to be respected.
When affection becomes a competitive sport. Big brother to the rescue. Even the chicken knows who the real boss is. Puppy thought her hair was a moving toy. He's speedrunning how to ruin a peaceful swing session.
Escucha esto, no lo puede creer, lo han traicionado. Si quieres quedarte.
不是，这样，1、2、3。
The door open.
When you come home and your distant cousin comes,
Pop logic. If the baby gets cuddles, I want double cuddles too.
Stinkt dir das?
welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Get ready for the goofiest and most hilarious animal fails of 2026.
T'as les papates toutes sales. Allez, allez, on essuie les papates. Allez, c'est bien.
Legend says they're still chasing each other. Well, looks like someone needs to invest in some mini hiking boots.
You want to come up and spend the night? You want me to bring your puppy with you up here? Come here. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on.
It's not a doorway, it's a puppy traffic jam.
Captain! No! Get down here!
This is what happens when curiosity ignores common sense.
Captain! You can't go up there!
Oh, let's get the second one! Oh my god!
Maximum speed, maximum affection. Love makes dogs faster.
Sit down. Good. Square to bed. Good. Round down.
The morning commute just got a serious upgrade.
Hey, boating.
Love these pups? Like and subscribe for more. See you soon. All dads indeed go from the no dog to personal flight instructor.
This cat has chosen financial stability.
Dos.
Looks like they're rehearsing for the marine version of Dancing with the Stars.
To anybody having a bad day, just know that Benny put his ball through this hole and he's refusing to leave. So I've been here for 20 minutes trying to push it out of the other side. Look how disgusting this is. Ben! I'm helping!
My cat is being so bad right now. Look at him. No. No. Take your...
¿De esos dientes de porcelana?
Soy piraña. Están en el Amazonas.
Ждет, зай, ждет.
Стоишь на воротах, да? Ловит?
Kommer ramla. Nu ramlar hon.
Arthur, come! Come! Arthur! Hey, come!
Nice dog.
Oh my god, what is that?
These goats still haven't figured out why I don't eat grass.
What is that?
Hi, Snoopy. You did great. What you doing?
Who knows? He's an interior designer specializing in English breakfast chic.
Videos like this wouldn't exist. Let's see what they've been up to.
Thank you.
Some cats enjoy proving stereotypes wrong.
Do you want it, buddy? Do you want it, buddy?
Started when we were younger, you were mine. My boo! Oh my god!
Take notes, guys. This is the only thing a alligator bites gently. This is what happens when a Belgian dog gets 1% bored.
Ew.
What's he doing?
No damage, just pure chaos. They really said, let's fight, but make it cute. Golden retrievers were bred in cooler climates, so snow instantly sends them into zooming mode.
What are you
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
This cat appears to be avoiding a situation.
Daddy? Yeah, is he coming out?
Good boy knows he shouldn't talk to strangers.
Goodness.
It's one stair. Look. Ooh. Come on. Guys, see, it's just one stair.
Bro turned himself into a security system and forgot the move function. That Teddy's doing emotional support duty tonight.
Every cat has a few habits nobody can explain.
Unbelievable.
Foxy's not stealing, he's just enforcing the no slow play rule.
Que delícia, mamãe! Cadê o solinho? Ai, solinho! Ai, que delícia, mamãe!
Shut up.
Puppies really enforcing the no leaving policy. Separation is simply not allowed.
That's all the hilarious fun for now. If you loved these clips, please like and subscribe. See you soon!
I won't have to worry about her running away because this is the area that I made her, and the snow is taller than her. So, why are you going that, bruh?
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this, I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Legend has it, he's still running to this day.
I didn't get it out. Put it out. Work about it if you want.
The unbothered of that cat.
Vem, vem, vem. Pô! Ai, meu Deus, o cachorro!
His human said no couch, but he's a legal loophole.
Look outside. Look outside, Lander. Lander, look outside. Lander, look outside. Look outside. Look behind you. Look. Oh my God. Look, let me show you this. Lander, look outside. Look out there.
I see that you are cleaning your face, but in all honesty, you need to clean your butt. Why are you so dusty?
The Flappy Bird and the man who said no bird is in the house. You can't hide anything from a Mal. Are you snacking without him?
What are you doing? What is that? Is that yours? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me?
Alfie, you going to look at Mom? very naughty.
This one has gone full turtle and there is no turning back. Even if his brain says quiet, his heart says wiggle.
Oh, Paul got a new toy. What is it? Can you sit? Can you show me?
I know. You guys, her Furbo has been broken. I don't know what to do. Second time it's broken. She's upset about it. Oh, honey.
He's still convinced there's a secret portal behind the TV. If jealousy had a sound, that's it. The definition of what about me?
That's it. That's it. I knew. That's your baby girl. That's your baby girl.
Kevin! It's nighttime, not honk time.
No, brave girl.
Oh, baby. Oh, good girl.
I feel like she's gonna be a lot like her dad.
Must be a new camouflage technique. I'm impressed. People say training is hard, but this one's proving the opposite.
Hi. I'll beat you, boy.
El espíritu de la pereza ha vuelto. No ha abandonado mi cuerpito. Mira cómo estoy. Súper a gusto.
Goat looks like he's at a 5-star spa. Gonna leave a tip. That moment, he realizes the scent he's been waiting 9 months for is finally here.
Come on, buddy. Peanut. Hey, hey. Peanut. Peanut.
Just a bit embarrassing. Come on.
That's it. Yes.
That's the magic of this dramatic little puppy. Overreacting, overloving. Thanks.
알겠지? 간식 사서 올게. 안녕.
Someone just upgraded his room to a mobile home.
Excuse me, sir, someone's in here. Hi.
Hi.
Do you know yaks rely heavily on their sense of smell to locate food?
Sun, rain, wind. All just background effects for her main character moment.
But she's kind of a problem. No, and I hope that she's okay, and I felt super bad, but I'm also like...
We're sleeping on the floor for you. Like, can you stop being so crazy? Like, honestly.
Raptor's never been in the water before. Well, he knows how to swim.
Just a small one.
This sheep has invented the mobile organic snack bar. He's a 100-pound tank with a marshmallow heart.
Hey, Nala, that's yourself.
Okay.
Here we go. Take a bite of it.
Movement delays. Eat it. Yeah.
There you go.
This cat only allows 3 pets.
Hey, Frank, I'm still home.
The orange cat is auditing your performance. My Belgian pup's got his socks on, ready for a mission.
Mom says these are friends and not chicken tenders. These are friends and not chicken tenders.
Hey friends, if cats actually followed the rules,
Kerjaan ya, ditinggali seharian. Sampai kebelah dua keset. Biarin aja.
Neighbor drama is so hot they have to take turns being nosy.
Careful, bud.
The stairs just add that extra stadium feel to the match.
Who would you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?
Huh?
Fact: most cats don't recognize themselves in a mirror. Sometimes it's hard to hold the love that is huge.
This don't look at me like that. Why'd you knock over the recycling? She's like, why the f are you saying me?
To these little ones, being the same size means they're family.
Hi. Hello.
This furry customer is checking the quality of every squeaker.
I love you.